Here are 7 lessons from unlimited memory. How to use advanced learning strategies. To learn faster, remember more, and be more productive by Kevin Horsley. 1. Tapping into your memory potential. The book emphasizes that most people only tap into a small fraction of their memory potential and provides techniques to unlock and maximize your memory capabilities. 2. Concentration and focus. Horsley shares strategies used by top memory experts to improve concentration and focus, enabling you to absorb and retain information more effectively. 3. Memory techniques and tools. The book offers a variety of memory techniques, including visualization, association, and mnemonics, to help you remember information more efficiently. 4. Improving productivity. By enhancing your memory skills, you can double your productivity and eliminate wasted time, stress, and mistakes at work. 5. Utilizing imagination. Horsley highlights the power of imagination in strengthening memory. Bringing information to life through imagination can significantly enhance your ability to remember. 6. Self-discipline and standards. The book emphasizes that self-discipline is not about self-deprivation, but about raising your standards and striving for more. It explores how self-discipline can contribute to memory improvement. 7. Practical application. Unlimited memory provides practical tools, strategies, and techniques that you can apply in your daily life to improve your memory and retention skills. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel Ideas to Inspire for more great ideas and inspirational content. Thank you.